None of your funny stuff, Alice. Now, what do you think of my costume?
I have to admit, it certainly isn't original, Ralph. Where are you supposed to be?
I'm the man from space.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be the Cookie Monster.
I sure hope you will enjoy your next vacation, 'cause you're going to the moon. Devotion 33. After being informed of the meanness of Penina, her name disappears entirely from Scripture. She is never mentioned again by name, and I say, good riddance. But the hurt she inflicted on Hannah was deep. Fortunately, other than the fact that he was dumb enough to have more than one wife, Elkanah was a brilliant and amazing husband. 1 Samuel 1:7. And as he did so year by year, when she went up to the house of the Lord, so she provoked her, therefore she wept and did not eat. Then said Elkanah her husband to her, Hannah, why weepest thou? And why eatest thou not? Why is thy heart grieved? Am not I better to thee than 10 sons? Because of what Penina was doing, Hannah was so broken-hearted that she was weeping and not eating. But in verse 8 we find her husband actually noticing the fact that she was weeping and that she was not eating. But the verse goes just a bit farther and shows us that he also noticed that her heart was grieved. And he knew the exact reason why her heart was grieved. In other words, this man paid close attention to his wife. Husbands, wives, you may be too poor to pay the bills, but no one is too poor to pay attention. Paying attention is free, and it just may save a marriage. Do pay attention.
Wonderful lesson, Ralph. Thank you for paying attention to me, even if it is on the moon.
Only the best for you, my dear. Have a good evening, folks.